Hello guys and welcome back to Satisfactory. As I mentioned last time, I needed more iron and I've set up actually 3 iron miners here. These are all normal, so they will produce 60 iron per minute, which means I can still use the Mark 1 miner. I think it says here normal extraction 60 per minute. So normal, still okay, but 3 of them is actually quite a lot. All the ones I have over in the base are impure, only 30. So here we are boosting with a Mark 3. That's not what I meant to do. This one. Logistics, conveyor belt, Mark 3. 270 resources per minute, and this is 180. So this is fine. It seems like the merger can keep up with this income. Here I have a container, which it's quite full. Can do like that, sort. And here I built what I actually wanted to show. This is called truck station. These must be the most awesome things in the game so far. Perhaps not the truck station, but in combination with a truck. Or tractor, it seems. Tractor and truck station. So driving them is fun. I mean, this is really fun. Like this. And my base is over there. And what we can do with this is actually that we can, well, I can just show how it works first. We can automatically transfer ores and resources with the tractor between truck stations. This is not very far. I mean, from those mines to this spot, let's see. Yeah, be quiet. This is not a huge distance. I could have done this with conveyor belts like I did for my coal generators, but I really wanted to try this and set it up. So let me show you how it works. Just drive it over here. So the idea of this is, let's see, I want to make this a smart. Can do this perhaps. We can start here. So the tractor, if we go in the back, we have a workbench. Here we can craft everything well, not everything, but most of the stuff that we need. And we also can click here, vehicle. Now we have 200 iron ore. I guess we got them from down there, but it's not a problem. It runs on coal, and we can automatically feed this from the truck station. So this one has 2 inputs and 1 output. 1 for the fuel, which means coal, and 1 for the cargo that we want to either send or receive. So now it's set on to unloading, and the other one down there is of course set to loading. We load in this and we unload with this. So it's actually very simple to use. I was a bit confused at first, but there was no reason to be confused. So now let's set this up that I really wanted to show. We hold C to get into this this wheel. Same button as we used to find the resources, and we press start recording. You can see down in the right corner it's recording. So now we go down here. Whoops, that's a big turn. And then let's make a U-turn over to the truck station. And we're loading with iron ores. So we're probably quite full. And now let's go back. You can see these blue arrows. They are waypoints for the tractor to follow. So let's go back here and we'll go over here to unload. And then when it's done, we can go back over here, and then now it's finally time to press finish recording, and we can enable autopilot, and now we can actually jump off. And look at it go. So let's run over here and see how it goes. Actually, I must say that at least for my testing now, this tractor thing is a bit glitchy. Wow. Alright, sorry, this is a bit glitchy. That's not how I recorded, but actually the first time I did it, it worked perfectly. Then I did it again. I tried with 2 tractors on the same track. That was a mess because they bumped into each other. Okay, let's go back here. And then I tried a 3rd time. Then I noticed that sometimes it crashed into a wall, like that wall. That's way too close. But the unloading works. And now it should go back over here where it started. And then it starts all over again with a new cycle. So it's not perfect. Whoa, where? Yeah, probably need to redo this a few times to get it perfect. But it works. And now we're getting lots of iron in here. We can't keep up, so I will soon disable it. Perhaps it's more convenient or useful for larger distances. There is no way to set it to wait until full, because it consumes quite a lot of coal for that short trip, and it feels like a big waste. If it could only wait until it's fully loaded, or if you could say wait for 10 minutes, something like that. Anyway, so here I just have a temporary production line to craft more frames. This isn't, I have no upgrades at all, these power shards. So this can be balanced. I just wanted to wait until I got the conveyor belts filled and see and look at the speeds. And also, as you can see, I don't like doing this, but it's a temporary setup, so I'll remove this, and I will try to avoid doing this because I don't think it looks very good. I haven't seen any problems with doing so. They are perfectly intact, and if you craft a conveyor belt, there is no problem. Just it won't complain at all. But we need to add more power soon. These 6 generators are running at roughly 2/3, and I disabled one of them for a time, and then everything went down. So I'll need to bump up to probably 8, and soon I guess we'll get into oil power. But as a final thing today, we are doing this. That's great. I love it. Okay, did we get a message from Ada or Ada? No, sorry, X. Project assembly. Was that all? and see, are these unlocked now? Alright, tier 5 and 6 are unlocked. That's great. So oil processing, industrial manufacturing, and now we're making more modular frames, motors, wires and cable. We have everything already set up, just need some time to make them. And this one is exactly the same. This is truck. I already have this. That's weird. Or perhaps it should be like that, that different tiers can unlock the same things. I don't know. Oil processing. Pump, refinery, plastic, fuel. And here we have a manufacturer. I guess oil processing will be the first step. Or do we want a jetpack? That would be so convenient. It's only heavy modular frame. I don't think I can do that. I haven't seen it. So oil processing, I'll start with that. And yep, I had a lot of stuff to do now. So that's what I wanted to show. Tractors are really cool. I love them. It's a bit glitchy, I must say, but I like the feature and I will try to use it even though I don't think it's perfect. Alright, I'll see you in the next one when it's time for oil, I hope. I guess, I think. We'll see. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.